Hello there. My name's Carol Carlson, and I'm a parishioner here at St. Nicholas. I have been since July of 2000. We had moved here for a military move to Scott Air Force Base. The first Saturday we were here, we attended a 5 o'clock Mass, and I heard one of Father Bill's terrific homilies, and that hooked me immediately, and I became a parishioner the very next week. Consistently, all the 18 Lents I have lived here, Father Bill has spoken about an approach to Lent where we come up with something that is a personal weakness within ourselves and work on that, and then rise to a new and better self on Easter Sunday. Well, I really love this message, and every Easter season I have used this model for approaching the Lenten season. I want to share with you my experience of 10 years ago when I was broadsided by a really huge, devastating hurt that I'd had no control over. It just happened to me. And I could not fix it, which is what my tendency normally is. So I decided to work on that Lent. And my approach was to research it and speak to wise friends and family, and to pray extensively to the Holy Spirit, who is my most special confidant. And what I got from that was to take baby steps. So what I did was I started with small forgivenesses. I would go to wherever I was in my everyday life, to a grocery store, a parking lot, the freeway, at home, at work, and people who would irritate me in a minor way or cause me just to feel negative energy, I just chose to forgive them and let it go. I literally would open my hand and release the negative energy. And it was such a powerful, kind of calming feeling. So I just continued to do that through Lent, not consciously working on this big hurt inside of me. But when Easter Sunday came, I realized that I was in a much calmer, tranquil place, and that living with constant forgivenesses allowed me to let go of this huge hurt that had been stymieing me. And it was a glorious thing. And I urge you to take this challenge at this Lent, find a personal weakness that you want to let go of, and then go and work on it and rise to a new and better you come Easter Sunday. God bless you.